No. We will name. We will can't listen. No, people should listen. Your name and everything. We can't tire now.
Suddenly, 5,000 Ram evening. Today, we have come film award for his documentaries, and he has been a celebrated filmmaker who has been mentoring with students across the world. And he has worked with various channels such as BBC, Discovery Channel, and Channel 4. Now I request Dr. Michael Yog and Mrs. Valerie Yog to come on to the dais, please.
Okay. Yes, sir. Look here, sir.
I request H.K. Namgaru to come on to the dais, please.
तू अमरेला लगा दो अमरेला वो होता हाँ पूछने वाला ये क्या
I request Naga Reddy Garu to come on to the dais, please.
हाँ तो पहली बार नहीं स्टैंड की बात बता रहा था ये लाइटिंग बार सताते तो उसके तुम यहाँ वो खरीदा इसमें अलग अलग ये मैं कहाँ पर हाँ ये तो 10 साल होने को आया दिल्ली में नहीं है ये जो फर्स्ट प्रोग्राम है मेरा दोस्त थर्ड को गिरा दिया हैंडल को
Now I request Srimati Upila Garu to come on to the dais.
अभी तो हटा देना यहीं से जाने का नहीं चलो ठीक है हाँ क्या कैमरा लेके और कुछ नहीं है ना बैटरी कैमरा के लिए इमरजेंसी लगा दो ना चार्जिंग उस साइडों में रहता है यहाँ पर ही लगा दो दो भी यहाँ लगा दो ना एक बस ऑलरेडी दो है
Now I request Sri Madhav Reddy Garu to come on to the dais, please.
वो भी लाके
I request OSPD Prasad Garu to come on to the dais, please. Marshal Party to deliver the keynote speech for this evening. Now I request the guest to light the lamp.
भाई मिला ना तुम्हारे को कॉन्फ्रेंस
I request Gangadhar Garu to come out to dais, please.
चलते पानी आना तो यहाँ से आएगा।
Samdir Kramra. Good evening to all. Today our occasion is an evening with indigenous families, students of erstwhile Adilabad district at Hyderabad. In this occasion, once again I wanted to welcome our honorable chief guest Michael Yar and Valerie Yar and all the dignitaries on the dais. Today is a wonderful evening because such a well-wisher and anthropologist and dignitaries are here with our this evening with us. In this occasion, I just wanted to share the little background of a great anthropologist's visit in our valley and their contributions to our society and its impact. So we are aware in 1940s when we are under Nizam's domain, that time government supported intruders when they started separating us from the living source that Jal Jangil Jameen. That time the unrest prevailed in the valley. That is the result because of that unrest, Jordan Ghat incident happened led by Kumram Beg. After this incident, Nizam government actually wanted to find out all the root causes of this unrest and they invited a great anthropologist, Professor Hermann Rauch from Germany. So in this way, Professor Hermann Rauch came to our valley and he studied all the situation of the unrest and he given all the root causes of unrest and so many recommendations also to the government of Nizam. That time he became as an advisor and administrator in the Nizam government and so many measures he has taken to uplift the tribal societies in that period itself. So particularly he focused on giving back the living source of the tribal societies to them and particularly any society, if any society change is required, education is made. For that he started schools at that time only. The great contributions he given and that time only he has seen the rich culture and our historical background of our Gond, this aboriginal society, particularly Gond community. So he stayed at Marlavai and complete cycle of 1 year, he stayed there only and complete our activities, our culture, our ritual, everything he recorded, and he preserved the rich culture and our historical background also. So because of his efforts only, that book came, that is the Bible to this generation today, that is Rajbones of Andhra Pradesh. If that Bible, that book is not there, we would not know who we are and what was our background, how our ancestors richly survived at the time of when they attached with the nature and their living sources and rich culture. So after that, he gone back to his profession, and after 30 years, again came back to our valley along with his dearest student Michael Yark, who is here with us today, honor of chief guest. So he also continued the same philosophy, and he also studied, and he also that time how the exploitation system is going on still, and our rich culture, everything they preserved and they given to us. Because of that books, that time that books became a guide to the administrator, and with that impact, lot of provisions enforced. Because of that, some change started in the society. But at that time of change, actually any society, if good education and the skills, if they will have, and they will come out for survival, so automatically socio-economic conditions will change and development automatically will start in the society. So in that transition period, the government of India ordered some advanced nomadic playing groups in this tribal society. With availing this, naturally these advanced groups, they will have all the skills to avail that facility. So because of that, so after 80 years of this our independence also, hardly no family, aboriginal background family is representing either in education or in job or particular in recognized stages in society. So that is in this transition period, because of this, the very big loss society we are now facing. So in this situation, some grooming team actually started coming out, but because of lot of gaps in their career building, they are not able to competing, and all problems now we are seeing, and we are not, our generations are not in a position to availing the facilities. So in this situation, in Hyderabad, actually one platform created by Eklavya Foundation Chairman Sri Venugopal Reddy, and that platform started giving giving support to this career-seeking generation of Aboriginal society. During this long support, actually one team groomed from this team, this study circle, and from that study circle and this team molded that study circle into Kumram Beam Study Circle Education and Empowerment Society, and this team now moving with aim with the career building, particularly this confidence levels and for facing the competition. Because other than local recruitment and special recruitment, our people, our students, our generations are not doing because of too many gaps in their career building. So that actually we started giving, and for that we started approaching government, this tribal welfare also. They are also giving now support. With that motto we are moving now. So now you are anthropologists, you are researchers, sir, here. You have done a lot of researches on our society. So and we have seen that books and documentaries, everything. Being an educated generation, we are also keen to bring out the content just of the whatever the research works you are having. As a team, actually we are keen. For that we are expecting actually your support, guidance and mentoring. And in this occasion, I just wanted next in session, actually our students and our employees wanted to interact with you on some issues. And now I thankful to Madam Pingla Madam and Sumanath Reddy Garu. They given this opportunity to approach Michael Shah for this felicitation. And also I thankful to all the dignitaries who come over here for this occasion and sparing time with us. Thank you very much. Thank you all.
I would like to call them onto the dais. I would like to request Dr. V. Pandey Garu to come onto the dais. And I would like to request Sri D.K. Sharma, Minister of Agriculture, Government of India, to come onto the dais. I request Professor Nageshwara Garu, Usmania University, to come onto the dais, please. With lot of love, we would like to present a token of gift to Dr. Michael Yoke and Miss Valerie Yoke, and also felicitate the guests on the dais.
Sir. Hello. Excuse me, sir. Yes, okay, right, sir.